Hi, I'm Kurt with Infinity Cutting Tools. I want to introduce you to our Mega-Rabbeting bit set. This set includes our 2-inch diameter rabbeting bit, a bearing for flush trimming, plus the ability to make 16 other sized rabbets, all the way up to a full 3/4 inch wide rabbet. The change out on this set is very easy. Simply undo the top screw, slide off the old bearing, and attach one of the new sleeved bearings. An important part to note is that the bearing sleeve must be installed with the circlip side down. The circlip holds the bearing into place on the sleeve. By installing it any other direction, the sleeve may come off the bearing during operation. So, we take the circlip face down onto the bearing sleeve, insert our washer, and screw in to tight.